claims the sky, a symbol of strength, as it roars by. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes towards the sky. Approaching the saluting days now, the audience formation. Workforce of the Indian Air Force. Formation leader today is Wing Commander Pinaka Ashok, flying the N-32 of 48 Squadron. It is flanked by the two Dornier aircraft of 41 Squadron led by Wing Commander Amol Ashok Rao Dixit. Satluj, as the name suggests, is the formation symbolizing strength, resilience and the vital role of these aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, shift your gaze towards the saluting days. Now we have the Satluj formation.